Good morning, class. My name is Miss Caroline. Okay, today for our first day of school, we will be starting with our ABCs. Jean Louise, could you please read this for me?
ABC.
Okay. Jean Louise, could you please read in our book?
Perfect fit bikinis. Mix and match sizes, mix and match styles, mix and match colors.
That'll do. Thank you. You're illiterate. Who taught you how to read?
Well, no one taught me how to read.
You don't need to exaggerate, Miss Jean Louise. Okay, boys and girls, we'll be reading a book called The South Pacific.
Dear Dill, I miss you. I can't wait till next summer when you come back.
Miss Jean Louise, what is this?
Well, it's just cursive. It's just a letter to my friend Bill.
Miss Jean Louise, please come to the front of the room. Stick out your hands. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, it's time for recess. We'll finish the book and we come back.
Okay.
What's wrong, Scout?
It's Miss Caroline. She hates me. She said we got off on the wrong foot.
Well, don't worry. She's new here, too. So she's just as scared as you are.
She said Atticus and I can't read anymore.
Well, a whole bunch of the teachers are starting a new kind of learning system. It's called the Dewey Decimal System.
I hate her.
Hang in there and give her a shot.
Okay, class, this is the part where I talk and you listen. So how was recess?
Good.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, now it's time for lunch. So who's going home for lunch? Who brought their lunch? Walter, did you forget your lunch?
Yeah.
Well, I have a quarter here, so come up and get a quarter.
Miss
So
Caroline?
you can come up and get a quarter.
Well, he's a
Okay,
kind
that's
of can't.
tomorrow.
He can't take anything if he can't pay it back.
Enough, Jean Louise. You can come up here. Stick out your hands. Okay, go to the corner. That corner. Okay, Jean Louise, you can come back now. All right, boys and girls, that's it for today. Jean, please tell your father to stop teaching you how to read, or you'll have to write a 10-page essay.
I'm Walter Cunningham, and I'm plain. I'm poor. Ooh, I'm Walter Cunningham. I'm plain. I'm poor.
Walter, come here!
Oh, shit.
Oh my gosh.